it's time to visit one of the best islands here in Indonesia, the Nusa Penida Islands. Well, I just hope I don't miss my boat to Nusa Penida from Sanur today. So this is the peak season time here, but remember this, bargaining goes on any season here in Sanur. The color of the water is just absolutely beautiful, as I've already told you. Okay, so just as you enter the island, you need to pay a tax actually for entering this island.
70.
70, 140 you take.
Wah. Hitung rasa di
And where-
di hitung rasa dan
So hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is day 4 of my trip here in Bali, and today I will be leaving Kuta and going to a very beautiful island which is just nearby. It's called Nusa Penida, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually go without booking any tickets or doing any pre-bookings for the hotels and also the ferry rides. So stay tuned with us and do watch the full video because it's going to be informative, and I'll be giving some beautiful tips on the way so that you also can do the same as I'm going to do in this particular trip. So let me just check on the price of the Grab right over here from my hotel to Sanur port. Let's see how much it's showing. Okay, so 45,000 RP is for bike, and for car you can pay almost around 115,000. So 45 RP is what I am going to pick, and it's almost around 240 Indian rupees. So it's 7 in the morning and you can see people are jogging and doing morning walks on the road itself. And as I've already told you, it's like 10 minutes from the airport. So this is the road you are going to pick if you're going to the airport, on the left hand side. And if you want to go to the German beach, you have to go straight and go right. There is a Varuna statue right over there in the middle, which is actually the landmark for this particular place here. Okay. So I'm on my way towards the Sanur Harbor, and how much time it will take, brother?
20-25 minutes.
Okay, so 20 to 25 minutes it is going to take us to reach the Sanur Harbor from here. The harbor at Sanur, and you can see there is quite a lot of traffic jam here. It's one of the busiest places here in this island. So it took almost around 25 minutes time to reach this particular place, the Sanur Harbor here at Bali. And let me just show you the place first and also do some research on where to buy the tickets from. So come on. So right over here, I guess, yes, this is the place from where the jetties will actually start for Nusa Penida Island. I'm just going to show you. Brother, where is the ferry jetty?
This one.
This
Yeah.
one? Okay, thank you. Okay, so we have to check in from here, and let's go and check where the ticket counters are. As far as I have heard, there are a lot of agencies right over here in this place where we have to bargain on the tickets. So let's go. There are a lot of places to have some food from right over here. Maybe I'm going to have something too, because I haven't had breakfast yet. Okay, so this is the place. There are few agencies here Let me just check on the prices also. So the timings you can see right over here for the ferries.
Name please.
Sushmit SUSH MIT. SUSH MIT. So I've just collected the tickets here and I'm just following him towards the harbor right now. Hello. Yeah. So I'm going to talk about the price of the tickets with you within a few minutes. It's a huge bargain that happens here, to be honest. There are stores right over here and here also. So you have to bargain and bargain.
Ticket.
Yes.
Ticket.
Yes. Ah, yeah. Okay. As I was telling you, there are a lot of ticket counters right over here in this place. Along with that, there are some on the right hand side as well. So I'm just waiting, I guess, to collect some things from here. I've already paid my money and they have given me a proper bill also. Maybe I'm just going to collect one badge or something like this. Yeah, this thing here.
It's your ticket for coming back, yeah? And then already open ticket.
Okay.
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 Just keep ticket, open ticket. And then this your wedding necklace, the name of the boat Semua Bumi.
Okay.
We come follow me going to the port now.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. So we are moving on towards the boat and they have given me the return tickets in my hand. Well, it's almost 10 minutes to go for my boat ride to start and I actually got a boat booked at 8 AM in the morning. As I've already told you, there is a huge bargaining that goes on here. You need to bargain a lot and they were asking me for a price of 400,000 Indonesian rupiah at most of the counters for the round trip, but finally I managed to get one at 300,000, which is almost around 1500 Indian rupees for the round trip, by the way. So this is the peak season time here, but remember, this bargaining goes on any season here in Sanur. So in front you can see the harbor, the main gate of the harbor. So they have handed me this particular ticket here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, yes, only one. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So this is the harbor here at Sanur and there's just 5 minutes left for the jetty to start. I'm just heading on towards it to get a good seat. They're giving a seat number also. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry. Yeah. This is the harbor here at Sanur and it's quite beautiful, as you can see. The boat is at 8 AM in the morning, as I've already told you. So moving forward towards it. Well, there are lots of companies which are having boat trips from Sanur to Nusa Penida and also to Giliti Islands, and they have very different timings as well. But as because I came early, I wanted that 8 AM slot, so I was searching for the companies who are actually providing for the same time actually, and finally I got one ticket And as I've already told you, 300,000 idea was what I paid actually for the round trips. So let's see. Come on, let's go to Nusa Penida. Okay, so according to the name, Semabu Hills fast boat, this is the one. Okay, so let me just sit one of the places here. Although you have seat numbers given here, but when you come inside the boat, they will say you that you can sit at anywhere you want. And let me tell you, the cushioning here is quite good, and they also have life jackets up there if there is a need for that. So I hope the boat is going to start within 5 to 10 minutes time, and they have almost more than 120-30 seats actually in each boat as far as I can see, because all the boats are of almost the same size. Halo bos. Ya. Halo. Okay, so I have reached the Nusa Penida island here, and it took almost 50 minutes time to reach. The journey was quite pleasant. It was not that bumpy also, and as I've already told you, the seats were quite good. Well, let me just give you some information here. If you are coming to the Nusa Penida Islands from Sanur, then you will be dropped at the new Banjur, I guess, Banjar harbor, which is this one. And if you are coming from Ubud to Nusa Penida, you will not be coming to Sanur port. By the way, you will be going to the Padang Bai harbor. So remember that if you are coming from Ubud, then Padang Bai harbor will be the nearest harbor to get a boat to Nusa Penida, and if you are coming from Kuta, then Sanur will be the closest port to get a ferry to Nusa Penida, by the way. As you can see, this island is absolutely beautiful, and this is one of the major hotspots in Indonesia. Just see the color of the water. It's unbelievable, to be honest. Absolutely beautiful scenes here at the Nusa Penida Islands. Well, let me just give you some more information about my trip from Sanur to Nusa Penida. Well, basically I took a round trip ticket, as you have already seen it. It's 1500 Indian rupees almost that they took, but my plans were actually to visit Ubud right from here. So I would have planned, I was actually telling them that I need a ticket for Padang Bai once going back, the Padang Bai harbor, but they said the prices are very different, and it was more than almost around 2300 rupees they were charging, because it's not a round trip ticket, and that agency is different than what you will be getting here at the Sanur harbor. So I did a small research there just to give you some information about it. If I'm going back to Sanur harbor from here once again on the round trip basis itself, then from there to Ubud it will take me almost around 45 minutes time to reach, which I felt would be much more cheaper than buying a ticket for more than 2300 Indian rupees. So if you are planning to go to Ubud after this, just like me, then something like this you can also do. But remember one thing, do bargain a lot, because as I've already told you, they were asking me for almost around 2000 rupees per ticket on a round trip basis, which I negotiated finally and made them, like, actually I made them negotiate it to 1500 rupees. So right from the harbor we will be going straight to this place, and as you can see there is a beautiful tower also out here. There are boats too that goes actually for snorkeling, and I guess this is not the place from where the Gility tour starts. I don't know much about it. I will be updating you on that very soon, but I am already in love with this beautiful place because the color of the water is just absolutely beautiful, as I've already told you. There is no word to describe how beautiful it is looking like. I don't know how much the camera is doing justice here, but trust me, the vibe here is very different. Okay, so just as you enter the island, you need to pay a tax actually for entering this island. This is for all the tourists who are coming, and the price of it is 25,000 Indonesian rupiah, which is almost around 130 Indian rupees. And this is a mandate for everyone, and you should be keeping the bill until you are leaving this island. Okay, so I found a person actually whom I'm negotiated with at the rates, and he's going to give me a bike for 70,000 hopefully. He was asking for almost 90,000 per day. So I'll be taking a bike today, and I have to submit it back, actually give it back actually day after tomorrow, actually tomorrow. Yes, this is?
Yes, 150.
Now why you take 70? I paid 70 last time.
70.
70, 140 you take?
Wah, hitung rasa di
And
engkau
where-
di hitung rasa dan
Lah iya maksudnya detailin malu.
sama 75.
Is okay, call condition okay?
Nasinya yes, yes, yes.
No problem, I
No
call you.
problem, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I've booked this scooty actually right over here. There's a helmet also.
Yes, helmet also.
Yeah, and he's going to check it out before handing it over to me. I'll be telling you about the costs and all later on in this video itself, so bear with me. So as you can see, I have got this scooty and I had to pay 140k, which is almost around 720 Indian rupees for 2 days. And as per the rules, I will have to return them back tomorrow before 5 PM. So it's time we go and explore Nusa Penida, but before that let me get some petrol first. The petrol pump is just in the opposite side, as you can see. Yes, okay, so I took 2 liters of petrol, which has costed me 20,000 IDR. That tends amounts to almost around 115 rupees. So I hope you can understand that 56 to 55 liter is the cost per liter of petrol out here in Nusa Penida Islands in Bali. So let me just search out for some good hotels or hostels nearby, and I will keep you updated on that. So be with us and let's enjoy Nusa Penida. So it's almost 12 at the clock and I have reached this beautiful place here. It's a bungalow actually. I found it on the internet. It's Sambu Bungalow. It's located a bit on the eastern side, and this place is actually costing me 200,000 IDR, which is almost around 1,000 rupees including breakfast. Yes, it's including breakfast. So it's almost around 1,000 rupees Indian money I have to pay. That includes breakfast also. Quite cheap, isn't it? So come on, let me just show you the room. So this is the place where you can sit and have your breakfast, and right here is the room. It's quite big, as you can see, with AC, TV, it's all there. And here is the washroom. So this is where I end my video here. I hope you all found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. On the next video, we are going to go and explore the beautiful beaches here at the Nusa Penida Island, so don't miss that one also. And if you haven't watched the series where I visited places like Uluwatu Temple, Garuda Vishnu Temple, Tanalot and Tamanayu. You can always check that out. It's in my Bali playlist itself, and you will get a lot of information on that, on how to travel on a proper budget. So see you all again in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care, and if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below.